There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so adorable. I love you guys so much. May God Almighty continue to bless you all. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you all, and you are welcome to this amazing family. Oh my God. So guys, today's video, oh my goodness, it's all about this beautiful wig, guys. This bob water wig. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. I love it. It's so beautiful and it suits my face so very much, guys. Oh my God, did you want to know where this beautiful bob water wig it's coming from Ft.Beaufox hair on aliexpress? You all know aliexpress. Oh my goodness, so if you have been getting hair from aliexpress and you don't like it, oh my goodness, so this is the right store for you to get all your hair. So if you don't like this very one, don't worry, we have a lot of hair there. Oh my goodness, Ft.Beaufox hair have different kind of wig there, guys, but this one I know you are going to love it. You all know this is summer. You don't need that kind of heavy wig, guys. This is what you really need. Okay, so rush down to my description box right now. Right now, click the link below and it will take you to their store, Ft.Beaufox hair on aliexpress. Oh my goodness, Ft.Beaufox said thank you so much for this amazing, beautiful, adorable wig. I really do love this wig so much. It is very easy to style, you know. So if you are the type that don't really know how to style your hair, so don't worry yourself. All you need to do is just to put the hair, you know, put some little water, yeah, do some little makeup, then you are good to go. Oh my goodness, I really love this hair so much. Even the weight, oh my God, is so beautiful. It's very light. Oh my goodness, I love this wig so much. Oh my God, I'm going to be rocking this hair. Yes, I'm going to be rocking it throughout this summer, guys. Oh my goodness. So rush down to my description box, click the link below and it will take you to our store, Ft.Beaufox hair on aliexpress. Okay, and you are going to be getting some percent off, guys. Oh my God, you all know I love percent so much. Promo code, I love promo code so much, guys. So go to my description box, click the link below and also use our promo code. Okay, so that is it, guys. As you can see, the hair is looking so beautiful on me, so I know it's going to be more beautiful on you. Yes, so you want to SEXYOSAS. I love beautiful things and natural things, guys. So just go straight to my description box, click the link below and it will take you to their store. All right, so don't waste time if you want to enjoy this summer. Oh my goodness, so you need to have this beautiful hair for yourself. Okay, I know you are going to thank me later. All right. So that would be all for this explanation. Stop watching, go straight to my description box, order this for yourself and come back to say thank you. And we have a promo code, don't forget that. Okay, so continue watching my video to the end and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing fine. For me, I'm doing good, guys. So we have another beautiful wig again, guys. Oh yes, this wig is for summer. Okay, when I say summer, you know what I mean. Yeah, so this wig is so beautiful. It's very light, you know, simple, very easy to style. Oh my goodness, I love this wig so much. This wig is from Ft.Beaufox hair from AliExpress, on AliExpress. Okay, so this is bob water wig. I think I'm correct. Oh yes. So anyway, I'm so sorry about this. My ring light is really giving me different kind of color, and I don't know why. I think I need to change it. Yes, so this is it, guys. You see inside is so beautiful. We have 3 combs inside and the adjustments. Yeah, it's very simple. So right now I'm going to be using some little foundation at the front, just that you can do it, but if you don't want to leave it, okay, the way you want, just do what you want. Okay, so that is it, guys. So I'm going to be if you like, you can use any glue of your choice. You all know I don't use glue. Okay, this is what I always use, and it's so good for me. Okay, so that is it, guys. Oh my goodness, hope you guys are doing fine. How is the summer going? Everywhere is so hot. Yeah, this my city, oh my goodness, is so hot. When it comes to cold, it's so cold. Yeah, so that is it. So right now I'm going to be styling it. It's not going to take much time. It's very easy to style. You know, you can actually do it the way you want, as in the front. You can take it to the sides, front, anyhow. You know, me do anyhow you want the hair to be styled, guys. Oh yes. So if you want to have this hair for yourself, it's very simple. Go straight to my description box. Okay, so click the link below and it will take you to their store. So all you need to do about this hair is just to use some little water, you know, to wet it so that you can get that beautiful coils that you want for yourself. Okay, it's very easy, it's very light, it's not heavy at all. This hair is for summer, guys. You know, at this time you don't really need too much heavy wig, guys, you know. So right now all you need is this hair. You see, it's very light. So if you want it to be more full, okay, so they have it on their description box there, so or the select box. I don't know how to put the word. You choose the kind of gram you want for yourself. Okay, if you are the type that don't like full hair, I think you go for this. So if you like full hair, you choose the kind of weight you want for yourself. Okay, so that is it, and the price is very good. And if you have been getting hair from AliExpress and you always get complaint and you are not okay with the hair, I think this store is good for you to order all your hair, any kind of hair you want for yourself, because they have different kind of wig there. Okay, and everything they do there is so perfect. Okay, and their hair is 100% human hair, guys. All right, so right now I will be straightening the, as in the front side, just to make it look more flat. Okay, you can do it if you want. If you don't want, okay, you leave the hair like that. That is it, guys. Oh my god, hope you like this hair. Don't forget to go straight to my description box, click the link below, and see you on my next video. Bye.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.